Hi guys! So my name is Jenny and I'm part of the Reqado team. So I'm Jenny and I'm from the Reqado team, and today we will be cooking
Reqado pizza.
No, what?
Pizza.
What kind of pizza?
Cheese pizza.
Okay, so I have my assistants with me. What's your name?
Natalie.
How old are you, Natalie? 5. How about you, Max? How old are you? 7. So what are our ingredients, Max and Natalie? So what do we have?
Reqado, cheese.
Okay, one by one first. Okay, let's start with the dough. So we already have a dough here, but I'll tell you later how to make it. So the dough, what's this? Okay, let's show it to the camera. So that's mozzarella. We also have grated mozzarellas and lots of, what's this?
Cheese.
Cheese, of course.
Pizza.
This is a what? This is a pizza pan. But before we start, we need to wash our hands. So you always need to keep your hand clean, especially when handling food, right? Okay, so that's the dough, but first we will need to make our pizza sauce. What's that?
Reqado Greek brothers.
Greek lovers, yes. So we will open the heat, and then once the pan is warm, we will put the
Oil.
oil. Yes, that's olive oil. So we will be warming our spice. We only need to get like 2 teaspoons of our spice. So let the spices meet heat. That's very important to wake up the spices.
It's like oatmeal.
Is that oatmeal?
Smells like your cabinet.
The reason why we're using Greek lovers is because we want that herby flavor to the pizza. Because it's just cheese, so it will balance off the saltiness.
So it will be better than other pizzas.
Yes, that's right. It will be our favorite home pizza, right? And then, Max, can you please put a pinch, like a pinch of salt? There you go. Yep. So we can set that aside so that it can cool. Okay, so while we're waiting for the pizza sauce to cool and for the oven to heat up, we will now be preparing the pizza dough. Yay! So as you can see, this has already doubled its size. This is like half the size when I made it. It's quite easy to make, so let me show you how.
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gifts,
Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists.
and clearly I don't see myself upon that list.
But she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this.
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, the testaments they told, the moon and its eclipse,
And Superman unrolls a suit before he lifts. But I'm not the kind of person that it fits.
But she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman.
So you have to punch the dough like really hard to flatten it out and release the air. Cool. And now what you want to do is to continue pressing it. Okay, so you're punching it again? Wow. Wow, that's great. Okay. This is how the pizza makers do it. Okay, so we're going to knead our pizza one more time because we want it to be stretchy. Get some flour and then just press and knead it. And if it's your first time doing this, that's okay. You can always make mistakes. What's important is you're trying and you're experimenting because all great food journeys start with that, right? Okay, so I think we're good. Sounds stretchy like that. Is it big? You like it? Okay. Woo! Very careful. Make sure it doesn't fall apart. Okay. So we will line it up in our pizza pan. What we're going to do is to put mozzarella sticks into the edge because we really want it to be cheesy, like super cheesy. That's how we like our pizza, right, Natalie?
Yeah, and yummy.
So because we want the crust to be really crunchy and for it to be able to hold all of the cheeses that we're going to put in, we will be baking it first so that it gets crunchy and it gets really strong. This is how it looks once done. And then we will be blind baking this.
Let's put it on the oven.
Yes, but be careful with the heat and don't touch anything, okay?
Yeah.
Because you can get burned, right? Wow, see, so now the dough is quite strong because we really want it to be able to hold the cheese. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pour our pizza sauce made with
Pour it with the tomato sauce.
tomato sauce and what's this? Reqado Greek lovers. Yeah, so
One of our favorites.
wow, great. So we want for it to have that really herby and aromatic flavor. What is it? So we're putting the sauce now. Max and Natalie is doing that for mommy. Okay, just don't touch the pan. So now that's done. It's time to put the
Cheese.
yay.
And
Okay,
we should-
guys, you go ahead. Put all that you want. Hey, don't use your mouth to eat. And then we will drizzle a little olive oil so that it would be really tasty.
I think we need to use that.
There it is. Woo!
star?
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yay! Okay, so
I
now
want to put it
it's time to put it in the oven. Be careful, make sure you don't touch the oven. Okay, so now what we're going to do
Put the
is we
pizza.
will place the pizza for it to cook and just slide it over so that you don't touch the tray. Wow, look at this! Okay, excuse me. Wow, do you like it? Woo! Yay! Happy Cheese Pizza Day! Wow! Smells good? Yeah.
Smell like yellow card.
Yeah, it smells like yellow cab. Wow, that's good. So we don't have a pizza knife, so we will be using a butcher's knife instead. Just be very careful when using it. So we will now slice it in half first. Ooh, that looks so good. Yay! Wow, see the gooey cheese? So before we eat, what do we usually do? We thank God for our food, right? Do you want to pray for our food?
Natalie,
Natalie, can you pray for our food? Okay? Come on.
thank you Lord for this food and this food in Jesus' name. Amen.
Oh, yay! Okay, so let's get our pizza. Okay, you want it there? Wow, look at that. Okay, can we show it to the camera? Just how good it looks? Wow. You like it? Wow! You should use a knife. So mommies, you can make this with your kids especially during quarantine time, this is a great bonding time for the family. Do you like it? So that's it from Reqado. We hope you enjoyed our cooking time today. And please do stay tuned for more videos. Bye!
Bye.
I want something just like this.
I'm thirsty too.
You're thirsty too? Okay.
I want something just like this.
Ayaw sing nakagalaw.